everyone, happy Monday. I'm going to the mall again. I just grabbed something. I hope the mall is already open while we are sleeping. Oh, it's raining last night. The road is wet. There is muddy puddle. Maybe it's raining last night. Anyway guys, happy Monday everyone. First day of school in office today. I hope and pray that our day today will be smooth. We cannot encounter big problem, out of danger, and always safe and healthy. Take care everyone. Anyway, I'm going again to the mall. We live near the mall. That is why almost every day I come in here. We need to buy something for the house. I'll just run here and buy. Some of the shop is still closed. I hope the mall is already open. Anyway guys, I'm here again. Thank you as the mall is already open. See that? Falcon bird. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion how to improve my content, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.